2 at Foxtrot, make a right turn on November.
Southwest 4996, and it's Tower, you up and ready?
Ready to go.
Southwest 4996, traffic's 4 mile final, runway 22, clear for takeoff.
Charge transport 420, left turn on Golf, up runway 31, left and 31 right at Delta and November. Shit! Cancel takeoff clearance, southwest. Cancel takeoff clearance, charter, Tater 420, turn left immediately. Hold your position, charter for traffic 20.
Skyway 6210, go around, fly runway heading, climb maintain 4000.
Going around 4,000, runway heading, Skyway 6210.
Southwest 4996. When able, sir, can you hold your position on the runway? Skyway 6210. You can contact departure on 125.7 that we sequence.
27 Skyway 6210.
Okay, Southwest 4996, continue forward and turn right at Golf and contact ground when off. Do you need to go back to the gate, sir? Southwest 4996, roger.
Charter transport 420, turn left on taxiway November and hold your position.
Turn left at November, Charger, Woodway.
Charter transport 420, turn right on November 13 there, through the inner ramp, and hold a beam the Alpha terminal. I guess, so you're going to turn right on November 12 now, turn right on November 12 through the inner ramp and hold a beam the Alpha terminal.
Okay, right here and then hold on the ramp here behind Southwest.
Transport 420, yeah, turn right there, another right, and then you're going to turn left and hold the beam the Alpha terminal. Yeah, turn left. You're going to hold at the very end of it.
Okay, turning left here.
Charter West 420. Actually, I'll put you somewhere else. Let's go left there. Turn right onto Golf 1, and I'll have further free shortly.